Oh, gotta love the comments when they come in. It's fuel for the videos, baby. All right, got this one. Love it, love it. Keep them coming, y'all. Keep them coming. Before I read this comment, y'all do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that notification bell so you get notified, assuming you want to be notified to hear from me. Anyway, here you go. Ready? Only thing that will save y'all from the digital slave matrix is physical metals. We're nearing the end of this bull market. It's been going for a couple years now. Well, I got a lot to say about that. So, he puts this in a comment. I just don't get it. I don't get it. As if precious metals are like the only thing precious on the planet because it has the word precious in it. I mean, I just don't understand it. Why not have both? Why does it have to be binary? Why not have Bitcoin, crypto, and why not have precious metals? I got both. I get both. Why not have both? I prefer digital. Because here's the deal. Did it ever occur to y'all, or some of y'all anyway, I don't want to say all of y'all, some of y'all, that if precious metals are going to have to save us, that even the precious metals aren't going to matter anymore? I mean, really? I mean, let's think about this for a second. If SHTF, did I say that right? Yeah, I said it right. If that happens, I got news for you. There's only two things that are going to save us. Guns and ammo. That's it. No precious metals going to save us. If it's that bad, ladies and gentlemen, it's over. We dead. I mean, it's just that simple. But until then, I'm going to play with both because they're both doing great. And the second part of his question, or the second part of his comment was talking about how the bull market's been going on for years and we're about to the end of the bull market. How do you know? Enlighten me. Just because it's been going on for years means that it's just automatically over? Really? Says who? Who? If you're that smart, then why are you commenting on my videos? Let me just tell you something. I don't think it's over, and I don't know any better than this guy does. But here's what I know. I'll tell you what I do know. Our currency's being debased by the nanoseconds. It's garbage. Complete and utter garbage. If you just look at a green dollar in your pocket and you just say, yep, that's one, and that's all you think, that's all you see, you don't get it. You just don't. The reality of it is if you have hard assets like Bitcoin, like gold, silver, any other precious metal of your choosing, just pick one. Why would you swap that back into dollars? Answer that for me. Unless you needed to buy something with fiat. That would be the only reason to do it. Because I'm not swapping back. For what? It's a loser. It is a loser. The United States dollar is a loser. Why? Why would... Oh, okay. And so, if the bull market... Why would the bull market be over? Explain this to me. Why? It's been going on for years, the longest of all time, and what? I don't even know if it really is or not. But let's just go with it. Let's just say it has been. I got news for you, people. As long as they keep printing the U.S. dollar into oblivion like they're doing, guess what's going to keep happening? This flight to hard assets is going to keep going, because as I've explained, it's not so much that the asset itself has changed value. It's the other side of the pair that's changed value. What's the other side of the pair? United States dollar. It's devalued. It's being devalued as I sit here and film this video for you. The government just can't help itself. We've talked about this. So as long as they keep doing that, as long as they keep printing trillions and trillions of dollars, and with no end in sight, with $38 trillion of debt and climbing fast, as long as that keeps going, these assets are going to keep going up. Or will we have pullbacks? Sure. Yeah, we'll have pullbacks. We just had one. We just lost about $1,000. 1,000 points Dow, 1,000 points NASDAQ. What happened? Bounced right back. Smart money came in, bought the dip. It's going to keep going, folks. That's the difference this time that it hasn't been in the past. There is so much money in the system. It's unbelievable. And when there's that much money in the system, and that devalues your currency, your fiat, as long as they keep doing what they're doing, it's going to keep going up. And I don't see people dumping that to go back to the dollar. Well, there's probably some, but I'm not. Why? Why do I want to go back to that? That's dying. It's going away. I don't get it. I just really don't. When I get these comments like this, you get these people that are so anti-digital. Guess what? Do you have a bank account? Do you? Guess what it is? Digital. You think people just walk from bank to bank every day and with cash and just start trading it back and forth between banks every day? No, it's digital. Half the money they print it's not even real printed paper. It's just they adding zeros onto a ledger hit the Fed. They're just adding zeros on that crap. They're just adding it to it. It's not real. It's not real either. But you're transacting with it. So yeah, I just look, if it gets to the point where it's that bad, where the only thing that's going to save us is a precious metal. Oh, the precious metal. The only thing that's going to save us is the gold and silver. Look, if it gets to that, your gold and silver ain't saving you either. I got news for you. You better buy body armor and shields. That's what you're going to need, because that's where it's going to go. That's where this is headed. If it gets to that, that this gold and silver. Here's another thing too. A lot of what's driving the cost of this gold and silver up isn't necessarily the fact that people are, carrying around hand trucks of gold bars and stuff. No, they're buying it virtual on the stock market. They don't actually hold the gold. They're not holding it. These people that are buying the gold ETF, whatever, they don't hold the physical gold. Now, I don't buy the gold ETF or the silver. I don't buy that. I buy the real thing. I do buy it, the real thing. If I'm going to buy it, I'm buying the real thing. Because otherwise, what's the point in having it? It doesn't, what's the point? Give me the real thing or give me nothing at all, is the way I look at it. Or, guess what? You're in digital. You're back to digital again. So the reality of it is that Bitcoin and digital currencies aren't going away. They're just not. And this whole, all the conspiracy, all these people that are just, I just don't get it. That mindset. Why not have both? Just in case. What happens if gold and silver becomes worthless? Oh, that's not going to happen. Gold and silver, it's never going to happen. Oh, really? Says who? Says you? Says you? You the end all be all, huh? Just because you said it's not worth anything, huh? Well, I got news for you. As long as digital is here, and it's not going anywhere, then that's what we're going to do. Hey, how you doing? Why not have both? Just get both, have both. There's no reason to just has to be binary. It has to be one or the other. Because what just happens to be? I mean, let's look at it. Look at what's Bitcoin. Why does it ever occur to you why Bitcoin has gone up so much in value? Why does Bitcoin go up so much in value? Why? Because people are trading in their US dollars for a more superior asset. That's why it's going up like it's going up. And the more time goes by, and the more people realize it, and the more people are going to get it, and it's going to go to 150, and it's going to go to 200, and it's going to go to 250, it's going to go to 500, it's going to go to 750, it's going to go to a million plus. You watch it. It's going to happen. And while you're sitting here saying, the only thing going to save you is this, that, and the other, is precious metals, okay. Maybe so. I don't think so. I think if the power gets pulled, your precious metals ain't saving you. It's just not going to happen. It's over at that point. But in the meantime, it's a game. This is nothing but a game. This whole thing is a game. None of us designed this game, but it's the game that we're dealt, and the cards we're dealt. We got to play the game. So what am I doing? I'm playing it. I'm going to play what has been dealt to me. And that's all I can do. I mean, I can't change anything. I'm not going to go in and change it. I'm just one person. Even us collectively aren't going to change anything. But what I can do is I can roll with what I got in the game that I've been played. And to turn a blind eye to the reality of it, to me, is crazy, even more crazy. So, look, I got that comment and I wanted to share it with you guys because there's always that one, on every single video. The people that want to go after the crypto people, let's go get the The reality of it is, I asked you guys a question. I said, can you at least admit to me that Bitcoin is better than the U.S. dollar? Can you at least give me that much? I mean, can you at least say, all right, yeah, okay. If I had a choice between Bitcoin or the United States dollar, yeah, I'll take the Bitcoin. I mean, can you at least give me that? I mean, is that not unreasonable? I don't think so. I mean, any of it's better than you literally anything at this point is better than the United States dollar. So I'm just rolling with what we got, and right now when it comes to financial freedom, Bitcoin, digital currencies, this is the new framework. That's where we're going. And to sit there and think that we're going to go back into dinosaur ages and, that we're going to have our little hand truck and our bars of gold and our chisel and our hammer, and we're going to chisel that stuff off and all that, to think that if it gets to that, I mean, come on. I mean, it is total destruction. It is not even going to matter anymore at that point. Like I say, guns and ammo are going to be the things that you're going to want to have to defend yourself, and then food and water, you got to have that. Those are really, that's it at the end of the day. And so, in all this, well, what happens if the electrical grid goes out? Again, if the electrical grid goes out, I can promise you, I do not care about Bitcoin, and I'm not going to care about gold and silver either. There's going to be a few other things I'm going to care a whole lot more than Bitcoin, gold, and silver, precious metals. So anyway, you always get that one, in every single, just gotta say something, you got to put it in there. But that's fine. That's fine. Hey, at least he's got precious metals. I give him that. That's better than not having them. Hey, you can't argue with the fact. I just look at the facts in front of me. I see Bitcoin at 115 now. It's been up to 120, 125, and it's floating and chopping around that, and it'll find another leg up. I just go with what's in front of me, the facts, and that's what I see, and I go with that. I'm not going to sit there and try to second, third, fourth, fifth guess every single thing I do, because what is that? That's paralysis by analysis. You don't end up going anywhere. You just end up just in a vicious circle. So I just go with what's in front of me. Bitcoin's doing great. Gold's doing great. Silver's doing great. Good for it. That's great. And I'm rooting it on also. I'm rooting it all on. So anyway, got that comment, thought, yep, here we go. Fuel for the video. Anyway, appreciate y'all watching the channel. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit that notification bell, and we'll be coming back at you soon. Gen X Guy out. See you. Bye.